Hey everyone, it's me, Kid1996, and today we're here with the Hoover Power Dash Complete Carpet Cleaner. This has 2 times more cleaning power than the leading lightweight carpet cleaner. It comes with power spin pet brush rolls. It has antimicrobial protection built in to prevent the dirt and grime that you get from pets, to keep it from getting bacteria to grow on the brush roll. You don't want that, so that will be good. You won't have mold growing on your brush roll. It has the heat force that blows the hot air down onto the carpet to help it dry and also heat up the water that you put down on the carpet. It's lightweight at just 13 pounds, which is nice, and it comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Alright, so let's open this up. So right now when we open it, it tells you the carton contents: clean water tank, carpet cleaner, dirty water tank, upper handle pole, upper handle, power spin pet brush roll, sample bottle of cleaning solution. Tools will vary. There's not really any tools with this machine. So all the parts right here are what are inside: the pole, the handle, solution, machine, and the solution and dirty water tank. So right here, let's open it right here. Alright, so when you open it up, first thing you have is the user manual. So right here we have the handle. This is a all plastic handle. There's some gripping right here. It's just riveting, really. It's not really any different type of material. It's hard plastic. But this is an easy to pull trigger. That's not really going to stress out your fingers too much. It's easy to pull. You can see it is part of the cord wrap. This right here pivots. Next you have a sample bottle of solution for the machine right here. You can see that is a pretty decent size sample bottle, so that's really nice that they include a pretty decent size solution. So when you lift this up, you see there is that metal thing. There's dramatic. Next you have an aluminum handle for the machine, which is nice, so it's not going to be breaking on you. Next you have is your clean water tank. So now you will want to lay the box on its side to take the main machine out. Okay, so we have everything out of the box with the Hoover Professional Series Power Dash. And we are going to insert this metal pole handle with this button right here in the back. We're going to push it down until you hear a click, just like so. And now we're going to take this handle and push it down just like this until that's in there. So just like that. So now you have that assembled. And now you just take your clean water tank and put it in just like that. And now you have your machine completely assembled. Alright, so we have completely assembled the machine. So let's take a look. We're going to start here at the front with the front nozzle. You can remove it right here on either side. You need 2 hands to do that, so we're not going to do that on camera, but you can just pull that right off and clean it. So we're going to look underneath the machine. So the brushes look like they're protruding out enough that they will actually be able to make contact with low pile carpeting. As you can see right here, they come out quite far. So we'll be able to tell how well these perform on the white rug that we will be testing this on. Let's now take a look at the dirty water tank. So we just press this button right here to release. Just pull it up and out just like so. And then you just take this and you empty right here. You see the max fill line right there. You just take this, open that cap, and empty it out like so. You can see right here that this is where all the dirty water is going to be coming into the machine. You can see there's a nice seal right here, and it's like straight from floor up into this. So there's really a good airflow path going straight into the dirty water tank. You can see a float valve right here that closes off the air path when it becomes full. So that is good. Right here you can see a little screen to catch any hair or anything that might be sucked into the motor of the machine. I'm sure it's a bypass motor, so no water is actually going to be put through the motor, but it will just go through the fan and into the exhaust of the machine. You can see how easy it is to remove this water tank. It goes in and out really easily. It just slides right in. It's effortless. The same goes for the clean water tank, just in and out. So first look of the machine, it is good. It does not look like this machine is going to disappoint us as long as it has the suction and airflow power needed to extract water. I'm pretty sure this machine is going to do good because it has edge-to-edge suction and it has a nice size and stiff brushes. And it can hold a lot of water, and I'm sure it is going to be able to clean the white rug. When preparing your Hoover Power Dash carpet washer for cleaning, you fill the solution tank to the water line first, and then you add the solution. That helps you know how much solution you need to use in this tank of water. The solution they give you is concentrated, so you won't be using as much solution, so the solution should last quite some time, being a decent sized sample bottle. I've filled it up to the water line, and now we are going to put the solution in. Alright, so we're going to pour the solution in up to the solution line. Right there, you can see that is all the solution you need, and there's a ton of solution left. So that is great that, you see what I did there? That is great that it doesn't use as much solution as some of the other machines. That is good. So you just put that in there just like that, and you take the solution tank and place it right in the back of the machine, just like this. Slide it right down just like that. And now you're ready to use your Power Dash. So let's see how well it performs on this white rug. We are going to do half of the rug because in another video we are going to compare against its bigger brother, the Hoover Smart Wash. Alright, so we are going to use this Hoover Power Dash carpet cleaner on this white area rug that is pretty dull and dingy. It has not been carpet cleaned in about a week. So we're going to see how much dirt we can get out of this carpet. We have completely pre-vacuumed it with the Shark Navigator lift away. So we're going to see how well this can perform in getting out the pet stains as well as the ground and dirt. Alright, so let's turn on the machine right here. We're going to turn the on button. It is a little bit loud, so we're going to recline it and see how well it can clean this carpet. So you can see the brushes are spinning vigorously. I'm pulling the trigger now. Putting down water, you can see right here. They tell you to pull the trigger on the forward pass and on the backward pass. And now they tell you to go forward to dry it and extract some water. So this is a powerhouse of a carpet cleaner. It might be small and portable and lightweight, but it is not going to scrounge you on some power. Look at this carpet. You can totally see the color difference between where it's clean and where it's dirty. Isn't that crazy? And just one forward and back pass with the solution, and then one forward and back dry pass. You can already see a clean sweep in the carpeting from this carpet cleaner. So we're going to continue. We're going to go over this pet stain right here. See how well it can get out this pet urine. Alright, it's the forward wet pass. Now the backward wet pass. You can see how clean it has been able to make the carpet. That's pet urine might have been left down there too long. It looks like it has stained the carpet, so we're going to have to use a different type of cleaner solution to get up the pet urine. It is not the machine performing poorly. It is not the machine performing poorly. As you can see, look at the clean. So we're going to do one forward and back pass right here where it's real dirty. I'm pulling the handle now. One slow pass forward. This is about how slow you should go. Forward, now back. Now a forward dry pass. Wow, look at that. That is so clean. That's such a clean pass. Let's try this here. Pulling the trigger now. Forward, backward. Look at that. That's nice and clean. That's another stain that's not coming out. Needs different solution. So another forward pass. Backward pass. Wow, it's coming out so clean. Went off the edge. Bringing it right back to life. Alright. So we have reached the max fill line. We have managed to clean this rug. It is nice and clean, and you can see it is so clean, except for that area right there that needs to be sprayed with different chemical. But other than that, it has brought this carpet back to life. The proof is in the water. You can see that water is really dirty. Let's turn this machine around. Show you how easy it is to pull the dirty water out. You just press this down and pull it out like this. There's the water. As you can see, that is really dirty. There is a ton of dirt in there. Not much sand, but there's a little bit of sand and heavy particles, as you can see. Not much dripping has occurred. It's done a good job in managing the drips. You can see a little bit of sand, not too much sand because we did good pre-vacuuming. So overall, this machine does a very good job. I really like this Hoover Power Dash. So I completely recommend that you go out and purchase this Hoover Power Dash if you're looking for a cheap, lightweight carpet cleaner that does a good job in cleaning the carpeting. Alright, so we're going to pour this into the sink so you can see the water. That is the water and the dirt that we were able to get up. It actually doesn't look that bad until you pour it all at once, and then it looks a little bad. So it's really easy to pour out just like that, and then you just wipe down the side and you can move that out of the way like I did. So that's good. Here we have the final results for the Hoover Power Dash. I ended up going back over it in a couple areas that I noticed that I had missed on camera. So we went back over those. We do have a couple pet urine stains still on the ground that I have to pre-spray with some Clorox urine remover. So we still have to do those, but besides that, the carpet looks way cleaner. You can definitely see a color change in the carpet from this Hoover Power Dash. You can see that it is much brighter and more vibrant on the side we clean with the Power Dash than we haven't cleaned. So I hope you enjoyed this test with the Hoover Power Dash lightweight carpet cleaner. I don't think you will be disappointed in its performance. I think I went a little bit slow on video than you should do in person. You should probably go a little bit more briskly forward and backwards with your wet pass and then slower with your dry pass, because I went through a whole tank of water on just one side of this rug, but I think that's because I went too slow. But it was able to suck up all of the water, and the carpet is literally just damp and literally almost dry. So it has done a good job at drying and extracting all of the water. I do have to mention that underneath the rug you can definitely tell a difference in where it has sucked up the urine by where I cleaned it with the urine remover and the Hoover. It cleaned it all the way through the carpet. You can definitely see that it has made a definite clean difference right there. Straight line right down the middle where the Hoover cleaned. So that is fantastic that the Hoover can clean underneath the carpet to get the urine. Please let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. If you would like to purchase this Hoover Power Dash, you may click the link in the description below.